Okay, you guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to start with my monthly dividend portfolio totals for January. Now I realize it's a few days late, but you guys, we were just on vacation down in Arizona looking for our retirement home. So the first thing I want to look at is the S&P 500. And looking back the last month, we started about 3,800 and we ended about 38.86, so it is up. Now I realize that in the last couple of weeks, you guys, there's been a lot of volatility, and that is normal. We like volatility because volatility is our friend. If people are buying and selling, that means there's deals to be had in the month. So you guys, as you know, this is my simple dividend tracker. It just adds up. So if we come down here to 2021, January is a small month for me. I got $1.86 from my 2 shares of ADP. I got $3.81 for AGNC. That's one of my monthly REIT payers. I got $7.49 from National Fuel Gas. I got $8.12 from Realty Income. That's ticker O. And I got $2.10 from Walmart. So you can see my total for the month was only $23.38. The first, fourth, those are my little months, and that's fine. If we take a look at some of our totals, we actually have some pretty good totals overall. So let's start with our Ally. In the Ally account, you can see that we have a total currently of $20,000, $441.25. You guys, that is all taxable money. And if we take a quick look here at the account, you can see that there's a lot of movement for me. I asked you earlier in January if you thought I should sell my Tesla shares, and I got a lot of comments both ways, but most people decided I should split them. Now you guys remember I bought 2 shares back before the split, and I bought them for $220 per share. So at one point I was up to almost $9,000 for a $440 investment. So I decided to take the profits because Tesla doesn't pay a dividend. I decided to sell half of them. And you can see I sold that for $4,248.60. And then I turned around and bought more of my dividend payers here in Ally. So I bought 5 of Colgate. I bought 10, 10, and 10. So I bought a total of 30 of Coca-Cola. I bought 10 shares of Pfizer. I bought 10 shares of Bank of America, and I also bought 20 additional shares of Exxon. Actually, I guess I bought 20 shares of Pfizer. So you guys, you can see I added to what I had quite a bit in my holdings there. We're up to 75 shares of Bank of America. We're up to 20 shares of Colgate, up to 75 shares of Coca-Cola, 55 shares of Pfizer, down to 5 in Tesla, and up to 75 in Exxon. So Exxon's still going down, but I've priced it. I've been buying them down so much that I'm not so deep in hole as I was once. So anyway, as I said, let's take a look at the portfolio first. So in our taxable portion of that, we're at $12,464.62. Now, full disclosure, I have not been adding to this since the new year because I've been adding to my Roth. And that is the Roth portion that I have with M1 Finance is now up to $5,233.58. And what I've been buying mainly is DLR. That is a REIT, Digital Realty Trust. They deal with online storage space and the like. So I feel like that's a pretty good name. And we are up a little bit on that. I did buy a couple of shares of Visa as well this month, and we've been slowly just adding to the Roth portfolio. Currently, if we take a look at the totals for the M1 portfolio are as follows. We have taxable at $12,466, the Roth at $52.56, and our M1 total currently is $17,722.35. Okay, so last thing we need to look about is our Vanguard. I don't usually open the Vanguard account because you can't hide the numbers there. So you guys know in my taxable, I have VIG as one of my dividend ETFs. I also have VYM, and then I have some various stocks in there as well in the taxable portion. The current balance for the Vanguard taxable portion is $18,834.23. I also have a Roth at Vanguard. Now I only count the portion of my Roth that I have in actual single stocks, and these are all REITs, you guys, single stocks. I have 4 single REIT stocks in my Vanguard Roth that I count towards the dividend portfolio, and that's up to $7,233.13, bringing my Vanguard total currently to $26,067.35. So doing pretty well on that one as well. You guys, I realize that lately the S&P, if we take a look at like the last 5 days, I mean, it's gone up. But we know last week with the whole scandal with GameStop and some of the other stuff, you guys, I feel like if you buy a product, I plan to buy and hold long term. Now, that doesn't mean we don't sell if it appreciates enough and it makes sense. But buying and holding long term to me is much safer and is in the long run going to pay off more than doing shorts and puts and all that stuff. Now, I understand there are people out there who are going to disagree with me on that, and that's fine, because there's more than one way for everyone to make their portfolio their portfolio. You should invest in companies or ETFs or stocks that you believe in and that makes sense for you. Not everything makes sense to everyone at the same time. As you know, about 90% of my portfolio is in straight index funds. I believe that's the easiest way. But I do have a few dividend plays that I do as well. It makes up a very small portion of my total portfolio. But you guys, it's been fun sharing them with you on this. Let me know what you do. How was this month for you guys? Did you do well? Did you do poorly? Did you get involved in the GameStop thing? If you did, let me know in the comments, you guys. If you got something out of this and you appreciate what I'm doing, do me a favor. Just drop me a like. That really helps get the videos out to more people. If you're not already subscribed, you know the deal. I'm going to ask you again. Hit that red button, ring the bell. You get notified every time I make a video. All right, we'll see you. Thank you.